Hey guys, Wayne here from H2 Tech Videos. Today I'm going to be doing a spec comparison between the new LG Stylo 4 and last year's LG Stylo 3 Plus. We're just going to put them side by side and take a look and see what's changed, what's the difference. Let's jump right in and let's see what's up. So starting with software, Stylo 4 is going to come with 8.0 Oreo Android, so a newer version of Android. Last year's did have 7.0 Nougat. So that's an easy one there. In terms of the screen, this is pretty big right here. We're going from a 5.7 inch full HD display to a 6.2 FHD display with a different aspect ratio, now 18:9. So that's half more screen you're going to get with that new Stylo 4. So pretty awesome there. Camera wise, not too much different. Still 5 megapixel front, 13 on the rear for both, but the Stylo 4 does have some extra features built into the camera now that are supposed to make it focus quicker. So that's what the PDAF is, and it has the Q lens, which will allow you to basically scan a picture of an item. It'll help you find it online if you wanted to buy it. So it has some AI, artificial intelligence, built in, and with a couple of tweaks to the camera you can get to that section and basically search for things easier online. So pretty cool there. I just kind of left it kind of even there just because basically 5 megapixel front, 13 rear. In terms of the internal storage, basically the same, 32 gigs on both. They're both expandable with the micro SD card up to 2 terabytes, so we've got that option. Now, I circled that, but really they should be the same. In terms of battery, this is an interesting move here. So you do get a bigger battery. Let's start there. Last year's was 3080 milliamps. This year it's 3300 milliamps, but the battery now is no longer removable. So it is a sealed body phone. You will not be able to take it out, swap the batteries out. It is sealed, and it just is what it is. So just got to keep that in mind. So I'm glad we get a bigger battery, and because of them sealing the battery inside, the style of the phone is a lot nicer and looks a lot more premium. So it did kind of work out that they did that. Alright, in terms of processor, we've got a nice little jump here from a 1.4 gigahertz octa-core to a 1.8, so a little bit faster than last year as well. RAM is going to be the same, 2 gigs. And then when we get to our extra features here, you'll see, sorry, the stupid thing's in the way. They both have the S Pen or the stylus pen. They also have the fingerprint scanner, and Stylo 4 has facial recognition. Now someone, just to throw this out there, someone commented on a previous video and said that the Stylo 2 had facial recognition. I don't remember it having that, and if the Stylo 3 had it, I never noticed it in all my time playing around with the settings. So if it does, forgive me, but as far as I know, Stylo 3, Stylo 2 did not have the facial recognition, so I did put it as an extra feature for the Stylo 4. All in all, guys, as you can see, LG has made some considerable upgrades from last year, and this is definitely a phone you guys will want to pick up, just seeing how far ahead they've made changes and really upgraded it from last year. So hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure you like, favorite, and share if it was helpful. Hit that subscribe button, and make sure you also follow us on Instagram at H2 Tech Videos for monthly giveaways and a bunch of other cool stuff. Thanks again for watching, guys. Have a good one.